My advice for women that are hesitant to join the industry is don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of change. My name is Jane Herzog. I've been with the company for 6 years. I am the County Closet Coordinator. I have always worked in manufacturing since I graduated high school some 40 odd years ago, and it's just what I do. I enjoy my job. I love working here.
The County Materials family of companies is grateful for the many women who work for our organization. They are changing perceptions about manufacturing careers and moving the concrete manufacturing industry forward. We're proud to share their stories.
The position that I am in today actually chose me. Prior to working here, I was working in a small shop doing embroidery for a private company. And when that company went out of business, County Materials bought the embroidery machines that I am running now. So they asked me to join their team, and I have been working with them ever since. I do everything from ordering to embroidery to heat pressing to shipping. The days just fly by. There is always something. The most rewarding part of my job is seeing the County Materials branded garments out in the workforce, out in the community. When I see a County Materials garment, I know that I branded that garment. The company inspires me, and my marketing team inspire me. They respect my work ethic. They treat you with respect and willing to listen, and that's the best part. This job is exciting, changes every day, and it makes you want to come to work.
We believe that our team members are the key to our success, and their dedication and talents make us stronger. Together, we're building a company that hardworking people are proud to work for, live near, and do business with since 1946.